4 years ago, I put a strawberry inside of resin, and on today's episode, we are going to see if it's finally rotten. Now, you guys know that I've been putting food inside of resin for a long time.
You have.
It actually started with a lemon slice inside of resin 9 years ago, where I made a fidget spinner.
I was going to say it was a fidget spinner.
Remember when they were like super popular?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I jumped on the trend. I made my own.
You did.
Anyway, since then, we've done a whole bunch. We've done bacon, mushrooms, marshmallows, eggs.
Orange, apple.
Orange, apple. Yep. So much. Probably one of the most iconic ones was the egg. Do you need the evacuation bucket?
I do.
Wow, that one was terrible.
Yes.
We put a whole egg inside of resin 12 months later. For some reason, actually, I know what it was. It was you guys. You all requested that I cut the bloody thing open. Oh. And I did. And it was absolutely disgusting. So we put it back in resin again.
You should cut it open again.
No chance. We put it back in resin to stop the smell, which it has.
Yes.
And then that one there sparked a whole frenzy of new stuff.
Oh, it did.
And we do have 3 in front of us right here now. We have, of course, the strawberry, the grape, and the banana.
Yes.
Probably the 3 most iconic ones.
Yeah, I think so.
In the modern time of doing food in resin.
Yep.
Now, I think what we might do, darling, I think I may have footage of when these were poured.
Okay.
Even when they're in the pressure pot.
Yep.
And so we might cut to a bit of that very shortly because we are going to start. I feel we should start with the banana.
Oh, good idea.
This one was 3.5 years ago.
Yep.
So let's have a quick look at when it was poured, when it was in the pot, and then we can take a look at how it is now. Okay, so you've just seen what it looked like the day we did it. It's time to have a look now, 3.5 years later. Are you guys ready for this? Take it off, darling. Wow.
It looks so different.
I forgot we used a lady finger.
We did. Oh my goodness.
Have a look at this, guys. 3.5 years, the banana has been inside. We cut half the skin off, left half the skin on. Now, one thing you might be able to notice, if you look right inside of here, it looks like the banana shrunk. And
it does, doesn't it?
It does. And it looks like it's left a casing, a resin casing in there.
It almost looks like it's like going black on the inside too.
It's not looking great, is it?
No. I'd hate to cut that one open.
Do you think it could be up there with the egg?
Oh, I think it could be, yeah.
You know what? The skin don't look too bad.
Yeah.
The end looks all right. The sticker.
This end part bothers me.
It's always the end part, isn't it? It is. Always gets you into trouble. The sticker looks fantastic. Looks like the day we put it in.
It does, yeah.
But yeah, this bit on the end, the raw banana.
Yeah.
Looks a bit
it's like it's been in the air. You know how when you leave fruit out and it starts to go brown or black?
I think possibly what's happened is because the banana shrunk, right?
Yeah.
We've created an air cavity now.
Yes, true.
That could possibly what has done it.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I tell you what, it's looking good.
It still looks good. For the age that it is,
yep,
it looks really good.
3.5 years, not too bad at all.
Yeah.
That is number 1, the banana.
Yep.
It is now time for the grape. Let's have a look at that being poured and in the pot. Now, did you notice how it went green and then to that dark reddish colour?
It did, didn't it?
Straight, almost like the grape got cooked a little bit.
It's like it turned into a sultana.
yeah, exactly right. Is that how they do it? Don't they? They dry
they dry them out.
They dry them out, hey, and they become shriveled.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's take a look at our grape. See if it's turned into a sultana. Actually, this one, 4 years.
Yes.
Let's have a look. 4 years later, what do we have? Wow, look at that. I tell you what, it looks almost identical to
You
when
don't
we
reckon
did
it's any purpler? Like any darker than what it was?
Oh, geez, I don't know. No, I don't think
You
so.
don't think so?
I think it looks pretty good.
Wow. And no shrinkage with that one either.
No, I can't see a case around it anywhere.
I wonder if that's because it's got like a skin around it.
Possibly.
Like with the banana, the skin hasn't shrunk around that part, and that's got skin around the grape, so it hasn't shrunk.
Acting as a preservative.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, because as you can see, the skin portion hasn't shrunk, but the raw exposed banana has shrunk a little bit.
Yeah.
Could be the same scenario with the grape.
It could be.
Now, do you think you could cut that open and still grow a grape tree, a grape vine, I should say?
I think you could, because the seed will still be in there.
Wouldn't that be amazing for an archaeologist to dig that up in, say, 1,000 years' time when grapes are extinct?
Yes.
Right? And go, what the bloody hell's this?
Well, it'd be the same with the banana, wouldn't it? You've got banana seeds in here too.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. We're helping mankind.
We are.
So that is the grape. 4 years later, I'll tell you what, Dolan, that's pretty good, isn't it?
It is pretty good.
Doesn't look like there's no decay at all.
No, there isn't.
Now, I guess this is the one everyone's been asking about, right? Because the strawberry, I got told many, many years ago that it's gonna rot.
Yes.
Because of the moisture content. And so, you know when you bite into a strawberry.
They're juicy.
It's juicy, man.
Yeah,
so there's a ton of moisture in it.
Yeah.
And I guess the strawberry, it kind of has a skin, but not really. Not as tough as a grape.
Definitely not.
Not as tough as a banana.
No.
So that's going to be the test. So let's take a look back now when we first poured it in the pot, and then we'll come back and see what it's like 4 years later. Wow, that was cool. I love watching that pot
It
can.
was so bright red, wasn't it?
Bright red, and then the steam comes out.
Yeah,
Kind of
yeah.
cooks it a little bit, I feel.
Bit, yeah.
Could that have cooked the bacteria off?
Maybe.
Is that why that... Well, I almost gave it away. Is that why it could look okay? Without further ado, let's pull it off. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Look at that. That looks identical.
Hasn't changed, has it?
4 years. Nothing.
Crazy.
Nothing. And the seeds are all on the outside, aren't they?
They are, yes.
You can still see them there.
You'd still be able to, surely you'd still be able to take the seeds off of that if you were to cut it open as well.
Wouldn't that be an amazing experiment?
Oh, yes.
Drop a seed, or actually just take that whole strawberry, plant it,
Yeah.
see what happens.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
Would be so cool.
I'm actually really surprised that we haven't seen any decay on this.
No, it's held up really well.
It has, hasn't it? Now, I see a lot of people on some threads that I follow, resin casting ones, where people say, you know, can you put a strawberry in? And so many people are like, nah, can't do it. The moisture content, it'll go rotten in a week.
Yeah.
So many people say that.
Yeah.
And here it is. Here's one 4 years later.
That's exactly right.
It looks perfect. Like, oh, you know what? It would have been nice to see a bit of sprouting on the seeds.
Oh, that would have been cool.
The leaf on top went brown. Still got a hint of green on it.
Just a hint, yeah.
But you know what? The fact that there is no air getting to these,
Yeah.
I think has been a major factor. And that's probably what's contributing, like we said, to the banana
Yeah.
going a bit brown there. But this is our assortment. What do you guys think? We do have a bunch more. Like we said, we've got the bacon. We've got the mushroom.
Yep.
We have the
orange.
The orange.
The apple.
Yep, the apple. If you guys want to see updates on that, let us know in the comments. We'll dig them out because they're probably hidden away somewhere.
They're packed away somewhere.
But we will get them out just for you guys if you want to see it. But let us know what your thoughts are on these, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up down below. Now, do we have a question for today, darling?
Do we have a question? What would you cast? What food would you cast?
What do you want to see?
What do you want to see?
Is there a type of food you want us to put in resin and maybe check back in 5 years' time?
Exactly.
Let us know in the comments. We'll try and make it happen for you guys. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.